Is this the end of the TV? For generations, the television has been more than just a piece of technology. It's been a cultural anchor. Think about it. Family dinners punctuated by the evening news. Weekend afternoons spent glued to cartoons. The collective elation or despair during live sporting events. The TV has woven itself into the fabric of our daily lives and our social interactions. But the winds of technological change are blowing, and the sleek, flat screens adorning our walls might just be a stepping stone to something far more radical. The emergence of virtual and mixed reality headsets, spearheaded by devices like the Apple Vision Pro, isn't just about incremental improvements. It's about fundamentally altering the concept of a display. Imagine the sheer versatility. A screen that adapts to your environment and your needs. A personal cinema that can materialize in your bedroom. A collaborative workspace with multiple virtual monitors floating around you. All untethered from physical constraints. The implications for productivity alone are staggering. Architects could walk through virtual blueprints at full scale. Surgeons could practice complex procedures in a simulated environment. And educators could create immersive learning experiences that were previously unimaginable. Beyond the practical advantages, the personalization aspect is also key. Your viewing experience becomes entirely your own, tailored to your preferences and your visual acuity. No more fighting for the best seat in the house or squinting at a small screen from across the room. The virtual screen adapts to you. However, let's not gloss over the significant hurdles that stand in the way of this virtual takeover. You rightly pointed out the comfort factor. Wearing a relatively bulky headset for extended periods can lead to neck strain, eye fatigue, and even feelings of isolation. The technology needs to become significantly lighter, more ergonomic, and less obtrusive for mainstream adoption as a direct TV replacement. Battery life is another crucial consideration. Imagine your movie night being cut short by a low battery warning on your virtual display device. The social element is perhaps the most complex challenge. The shared experience of watching television is deeply ingrained in our social rituals. How do you replicate the spontaneous camaraderie of a movie night with friends when everyone is immersed in their own private virtual world? While some headsets offer social VR features, they often feel like a mediated experience rather than the organic interaction we're used to. The development of truly seamless and comfortable shared virtual viewing experiences is critical. Looking further down the technological horizon, the possibilities become even more mind-bending. The idea of smart contact lenses projecting images directly onto our retinas, or even more invasively, brain-computer interfaces creating visual experiences without any external hardware. Sounds like science fiction today. However, the rapid pace of innovation suggests that these concepts might not remain in the realm of fantasy forever. Imagine the implications for accessibility for individuals with visual impairments, or the potential for entirely new forms of entertainment and communication. Yet, even with these futuristic possibilities, the ingrained habits and infrastructure surrounding traditional television are significant. Cable and satellite providers, streaming services optimized for large screens, and the sheer ubiquity of TVs in households worldwide represent a considerable inertia. The cost factor also plays a crucial role. While the price of VR/MR headsets is gradually decreasing, it still represents a significant investment compared to a standard television, especially for larger households that may require multiple devices. So, the question remains, will we truly bid farewell to our trusty televisions within the next decade? While the potential for virtual screens to revolutionize how we consume visual content is undeniable, the transition won't be a simple or immediate one. Comfort, social interaction, cost, and deeply ingrained habits all present significant obstacles. My prediction leans towards a more gradual evolution. We might see a future where virtual and augmented reality devices become increasingly integrated into our entertainment and work lives, offering unique and immersive experiences that complement traditional TVs. Perhaps dedicated social viewing virtual spaces will emerge, or technologies that seamlessly blend virtual and physical environments will bridge the gap. It's also possible that traditional TVs will evolve with new features and integrations to maintain their relevance. Ultimately, the end of the TV as we know it is less about a sudden death and more about a transformation. The screen itself might become less of a physical object and more of a personalized, adaptable experience. Whether that fully replaces the communal experience of gathering around a physical display remains to be seen. What are your extended thoughts on this? Do you see specific applications or scenarios where virtual screens will take the lead sooner? And what innovations do you think are crucial to overcome the current limitations? I'm eager to hear more of your perspective.